Welcome back. In this video, we shall talk about object literals in ES6. We already know what objects are in vanilla JavaScript and how to manipulate them. Let's say we have a function of object in regular JavaScript. Let's say we have this. Let's say my friend and the name of my friend as an argument and the location of my friend as an argument. Let's return the object. Let's return name, and let's say name, and let's return the location, and let's say location. So to pass values in the name and location variables, we will create a new variable that will absorb our results by saying var new, let's say new variable, and let's set it to my friend. And here I'd say my friend's name is Sheyi and my friend stays in Lagos. Now let's do that. Now if we console.log new variable, we'll see that the values are passed. Now let's run our code to see. You would see that Sheyi has been passed to the key name and Lagos has been passed to the key location. This is how to do it in vanilla JavaScript. Now let's do the same thing using the ES6 syntax. Before we do that, I noticed there is something important we have not talked about, and that's comments in JavaScript. To write a comment in JavaScript, all you need to do is use // and you can say this is my comment, and you can go to the next line and do same thing. This is another comment. So this is when you are trying to write an inline comment. To write multiple line comments, use the / and the asterisk. So this is a multiple line comment, and to close it, use that. So this is how to write multiple line comments, and the // is how to write the inline comment. What we have here, doing it using ES6, the only thing we are going to do is let's take away this location and let's take away this name. Remember to take away the location and the name with the colon sign. So we just have name and location. Now let's run our code to see what we have. You see, we still have name Sheyi and location Lagos. So don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.